Isa sa kinakabig nga pinakamataas nga summit na nasakpan sa Wales, amo ining bantog nga Snowdonia. Nga kadamaan sa mga bisita sa Wales, ang ginatingwaan gid nga masaka ining summit sa Snowdonia. Diri, nato may baluan ng sabat sa aton sining report sa aton nga Around the Globe. Snowdonia is a mountainous region in northwestern Wales and a national park of 823 square miles. Snowdonia National Park is a living, working area home to over 26,000 people, as well as being the largest natural lake in Wales. Snowdon Mountain Railway is the highest mountain in Wales at an elevation of 1,085 meters above sea level. It is the highest point in England and Wales and the principal massif in the Snowdonia Mountains. It's one of Wales' most famous and recognizable landmarks and is well worth a visit. When you visit Snowdonia, observe social distancing at all times. Maintain safe distance between group and hikers. Wear comfortable ankle-supporting walking boots and suitable clothing. The terrain can be uneven and the weather unpredictable. You'll need a waterproof and windproof jacket and over-trousers. It's important to maintain your energy levels as walking can be really hard work. Snowdonia is world-renowned for its rugged landscape and Welsh culture. It is a mountainous region in northwestern Wales. The park's historical Snowdon Mountain Railway climbs to the summit of Wales' highest mountain. Mount Snowdon offers a view across the sea to Ireland.